Hello and welcome. Today on this video we're going to study another type of past. Okay, I decided to use the same verbs that we have here, comer and caminar, just like the first part. Um, okay, we're going to start with comer. Um, so you remember that in the last video, in the first part, all you had to learn was estaba, estabais, or estaban, you know. But in this case, you have to conjugate the verb now. Okay, so we have comer. Yo comí. Yo comí. Okay, this is I ate. Tú, in this case, is comiste. Okay, or if you decide to use vos, it's the same, comiste. Now, a common mistake that even native speakers make is they add an s here. They say comistes. Many people have this mistake and they are native speakers. Okay, now you know that it is a mistake, a huge mistake, really. Okay, now we have ella or él comió. Okay, ella comió, él comió. Okay, this is she ate or he ate. In English is really easy. As you can see, you don't have to conjugate the verb. But in Spanish, yes, it's a bit complicated. But you will once you can control this. Really, Spanish will be really easy. Yes, in the beginning it requires practice, a lot of practice. But once you jump to the other side, wow, I seriously, I really understand that people that are struggling. But yes, it requires time and patience. Okay, so we have nosotras. Okay, this is for women, remember, nosotras. And we have nosotros. Nosotros, you can use it for men, or you can use it for a group of people. Okay, a group of people, men and women. The same with ellos and vosotros. Okay, ustedes or ustedes. Ustedes is used for a group of women or men, or a mixed group. Okay, in the case of nosotras is comimos. In the case of ustedes is comieron. Okay, ustedes comieron, or vosotros comisteis. Vosotros comisteis. Okay, ello comió. Ello comió. Now, the next verb, caminar. Yo caminé. Yo caminé. Tú or vos caminaste. Okay, caminaste. Ella or él caminó. Caminó. Okay. Listen. Here we have an accent mark. Okay, in Spanish we call it tilde or acento. Sometimes, well, I really recommend to learn how to use the accent marks. I will make a video of the accent marks, but really there are two types of people when it comes to accent marks. There are people that they don't care the accent marks and they don't even use it, and there are people that they use it all the time. Okay. um, and also there are people that are like in the middle of those 2 points. Okay. So I recommend you to learn how to use the accent marks because sometimes they are important. Okay. For example, you know that here it says caminó, caminó. Okay. But if we if there was no accent mark, it would be camino, camino. Okay. There is a difference. Caminó, camino, camino. Okay. And for example, this camino means road, road. Okay. But caminó is the past tense of walking. Okay. Of to, yeah. Um so yes, I recommend you to learn the accent marks. There are some people that many native speakers they don't care, and they probably will pronounce this in Spanish as camino, camino. But that is why there are many people that get confused. But you that is why I like to be your Spanish coach to help you and to help you to be aware of this because it is really important when you're learning Spanish. Okay. Now the next we have ellas or ellos caminaron. Okay. Ellos caminaron. Ellas caminaron. Nosotras or nosotros caminamos. Ustedes or vosotros, well, in this case, ustedes caminaron. En vosotros caminasteis. ¿Ok? Vosotros caminasteis. Ello caminó. ¿Ok? Ello caminó. So, if you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Okay? Be ready for the next video because there are more tenses to learn. But take it just step by step. Okay? Take it easy. I recommend you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.